Shruti Seth, and one of the most exciting parts of my PGDM journey at Jaipuria has been the workshop mode courses. These aren't your regular classes, they are immersive, hands-on, and designed to bridge the gap between what we learn in theory and how it's applied to in the real world. Courses like design thinking, entrepreneurship, and business ethics and sustainability are just a few examples of how Jaipuria prepares us for the challenges of the industry. In these courses, we are not just passive learners, we are active participants. We collaborate, experiment, and solve real-world problems. It's this practical approach that has sharpened my critical thinking and decision-making skills. The best part is these courses allow us to stay updated with the latest industry trends. Every workshop is an opportunity to learn something new, but also to unlearn outdated concepts and adapt to the ever-changing cooperative landscape. The feedback we get from our instructors in real time helps us grow, make corrections, and ultimately become better professionals. These courses have also fostered my creativity, encouraged teamwork, and helped me develop the confidence to navigate diverse environments. Every task feels like a step closer to becoming industry related. At Jaipuria, learning never stops, and the workshop mode courses ensure that we are always evolving. Be limitless at Jaipuria.